Wednesday day. I don't know what the hell it is. Welcome friends, subscribers, internet strangers. You're going to want to stay around for this one. We are actually at Zach Bagan's Haunted Museum. Joni just tried to take a picture of the gargoyle here, and the camera won't take the picture. Good.
Okay. As a matter of fact,
here it is. We can't take pictures inside, but here's the creepy building. I'll get the gift shop though, don't worry. They can't. Surely I can take pictures at the gift shop. Regular looking ordinary building, but Zach Bagan's, if you don't know, Ghost Adventures. Haha. Good God Almighty! I think I'm gonna go to a food coma now. Chicken and waffles at Hash House. Go.
Just take a picture then.
This is.
I don't know how to work this.
Hash House at Go. Whatever the hell I'm at. This is freaking amazing. The size of the food. That's a waffle. That's a pancake. There's your size comparison. It's bigger than John's head. Okay, this is back footage take 2. So I was trying to put up Thursday's video and realized I was the worst vlogger. You got like 3 minutes, and that's after I had a minute and a half of another day on there that's out of whack. So anyway, so as you see this, there's a thing from Hash House at Go from Tuesday morning that didn't get stuck on Tuesday, I don't think. If it didn't, enjoy that lovely chicken and waffles again. Nice. Okay, so what am I up to now before I do the footage? What does everybody think that is? Any questions, any answers? Box? You'll be wrong. It is a redneck laundry basket. You do what you gotta do out here on the road. The road is never gonna be said as easy. So here goes. We'll tell you a couple stories to fill in for what I've been up to. This time I'm gonna lock this chair so I quit bouncing around trying to, didn't do it. All right. So anyway, so let's tell you a story about the Trump Wonderful Hotel, making me reselling great again. Whoever is disliking every time I say that, go ahead and hit the dislike again, because it doesn't really matter. I appreciate you watching though. So anyway, Joni starts complaining that she's already jet lagged and she's a little tired, but she's having trouble seeing out of her right eye. She has progressive bifocals. Yes, my lovely darling, you look beautiful in your bifocals. So, anyway, complaining about them. She's like, maybe if I get some coffee and stuff, maybe my medicine will take time to get going this morning. So we stopped at Starbucks, and I don't know if she was scratching her eye or touching her eye or something, just don't. But she had glasses on and she did this. Finger went right through where the lens should be. So her glasses got knocked off the nightstand, and then when they got knocked off, the alarm clock or whatever was there fell on top of them, punched the lens out. And we didn't notice it, so we called them back and said, hey, we need to come back and look because we're missing lens out of the glass. Housekeeping had not come, but luckily the lens was right there where she picked up her glasses, so we popped it back in. So that was a lot of fun. I had seen Zach Bagan's museum by mistake. He does, for those of you who are wondering who the hell Zach Bagan's is, he hosts 2 TV shows. One is Ghost Adventures. It's been on, what do you think, 7 or 8 seasons, Joni? It's been on, there are quite a few.
Yeah, 16.
Okay, 16 seasons. Interesting story about they get locked down 24 hours after. They come in, learn about a place, and then get locked in for 24 hours. Anyway, investigate for ghosts. And the other one is Deadly Encounters. Is that it? Deadly Encounters, Deadly Possessions. Sorry, Deadly Possessions. Where people bring him objects that are haunted and have terrorized them, or they think they have, because there's a lot of people that believe that evil and spirits can possess an object. So he started collecting them into, and then he made a museum, and that's the museum we went to. Man, fascinating stuff. Kevorkian's VW bus was in there, and then he had put a mannequin or whatever to make it look what it looked like whenever the person would have punched a button to let the liquids go to send them to the next life. He had Charles Manson's teeth, false teeth. There was just all kinds of a Dybbuk box, which is a Jewish thing where Jewish people believe that it's a demon or something that's attached and it lives in this box, and whoever owns it terrorizes. That was one of the optional rooms, and okay, let's go. There was one that somebody's Bela Lugosi's spirit was supposedly trapped in a mirror. He was a big devil person. With Anton LaVey, you're not supposed to look in a mirror. It's optional. Oops, I looked. So did Johnny. We both did all the options. And there was one room. What was the one about the last one with the farmer or whatever? It smelled like there was another optional room about a demon or something. You were only supposed to be in there like 20 seconds. Yeah, we went. So there's that. Maybe they had something to do with the battery.
Natalie Wood's room was the only one that freaked me out. And
Johnny was freaked out by the Natalie Woods room. There was a room that was set up like a ship, had a lot of stuff off that ship, and a lot of articles and a lot of all this and Natalie's possessions in there.
then I felt like I was rocking, and so did about 3 other people.
Yeah, half the people there. There was a group of 12, 3 to 4 of them. So that's maybe not half. How about a quarter? Thought they were moving, the floor was rocking, that kind of stuff. So that was kind of interesting. So then last night, you know, I get a call from John. We're trying to rest up after all this fun adventure, and because we were going to go to dinner with John and Lori last night, and we were going to ride the high roller. John says, "Man, someone was barreling down on him. It was running a light. I was going to hit him if he didn't get out of the way," is what he felt like. So he tried to turn in the parking lot real quick and caught the curb, busted a tire, bent the rim. He had somebody tow it to the Fiat dealership because he figured it would need a rim, but they were actually able to salvage the rim by manual manipulation of the rim with a hammer. So, but he had 2 tires that were at the wear mark, needed to be replaced. So they did some brake work and got all 4 tires. So anyway, he needed somebody to pick them up from the casino. So we ended up having dinner there at the casino. So we picked them up, and Lori didn't have a coat, and it was kind of cool. She was like, "Can we stop by the motorhome?" It was like a mile from the casino. No big deal. We pull in. Johnny wanted to tour the Taj Mahal of motorhomes. So
I just really wanted to meet Princess.
okay. Johnny really wanted to meet Princess, their little Japanese chin. What a sweet little dog. Johnny, if y'all haven't figured out yet, Johnny really loves dogs. She talks to everybody's dogs that she sees. She talked to the cat out. She talked to the cat outside when we came in this hotel. Anyway, get back in the Toyota. Toyota wasn't starting. So pop the hood, battery, positive terminal just covered in green acid. That's not a good thing if you didn't know that or not. So I took it loose, cleaned it up, and okay, so if you didn't know, there's a substance out there that will clean battery acid very well off of a battery terminal. Oh, that'd be Diet Coke or Coke. So
anything with phosphoric acid in it.
Anything with phosphoric acid in it. So if it'll eat battery acid off of a terminal, what the hell is it doing to me? I thought long and hard about that as I took another swallow. Oh, wait a minute. This video is brought to you by Diet Coke. A little battery acid in there need to be taken care of. So anyway, really not sponsored, just addicted to Diet Coke. But anyway, so we called Geico because my buddy Dusty suggested about 5 months ago, "Man, you're paying too much on car insurance." He's that little gecko dude. He says, "You need to switch to Geico." So we called him, and damn, saved a lot of money. And better service. I got their roadside because, hell, I'm always on the road. So we called them. They're on their way. And John had a battery charger, but neither one of us had cables. And even if we did have cables, the Fiat was in the shop. It's hard to hook up to a motorhome because you can't get to the batteries easily. So there's that. So we let the charger go, and about 10 minutes before the truck was supposed to get there, I hit the button. Man, started. So we went to AutoZone, tested the battery for free. That is a tip there, pro tip. AutoZone, Advanced Auto, any of those places will actually test your battery and charging system for free to tell you what's wrong with it. They will also, if you buy your windshield wiper blades there, they'll put them on for you. Not that I need that, but you ladies out there who listen to this would like to have a new windshield wiper. Because there's some bastard like me out there who, when you get in front of me in the fast lane and I have to hit you with all the juice, clean my windshield and make you clean yours, you'll be glad you had clean new windshield wiper blades. Not saying I hadn't done that today. Anyway, so that was the adventures from last night. We went and got dessert at, was it Boulder Station? Yeah, that was the casino.
I don't know. It's
Smoky Casino. Oh my God, smoke. I'm tired of smoke. And I'm now going to take a shower because of the smoke in my clothes. We're two people that really dislike smoke. So there's that.
no offense to those who smoke.
And for the record, I went to Vegas. I was there for over a week and did not enter one dispensary. I know, you're disappointed. I'm disappointed in myself. But yeah, there's that. So I just wanted to add some video commentary and just something to make this day worth watching and tell you about all the adventures of eyeglasses and rims and batteries, but through it all, positive attitude. It's not that big a deal. It is what it is. We will get through it. So there's that. This is Friday night. I've got a Friday video. You actually get to see the lovely I-405 out there going by as their scenery. But there's a little bit more video. I might have to talk some more too. I like talking. Not really. Alright, thanks for watching. Do the YouTube stuff. Like, comment, subscribe. Appreciate you.